Alright guys, guess what I just got in the mail? I am so excited because you guys know that stock shifter boot on my car is super disgusting. So I'm gonna open this up, I'm gonna show you what two things I got. It's gonna be amazing.
So I picked up this Alcantara shift boot along with the ZHP shift knob for my E46 M3. Honestly, it is a huge upgrade from whatever comes stock with the M3. The feel of this shift knob is insane. It's made of an actual glass that covers the numbers on the top, and it's an overall way better, heavier feel. You can slide right into shifting.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this out. This will be really easy. I'll show you guys how to do it. Basically, there's two clips on each side over here. You pull on each side to remove the boot. And for this part, literally just pull up as hard as you can and it should come right off. The link is going to be in the description for everything I got. So obviously this is a great, I just love the way this looks. Basically the two lines that are here are going to go towards the front, and once you get everything on, you're going to actually install the boot right on top of it. So let's see how this works.
For the installation, just hold down on the base of the boot like I do here and push down and then equip all the clips on the sides.
Like this, it's going to be like inside out. Once you get everything on, you're going to clip these onto both sides and just basically install the boot literally right on top. So let's see how we can work this out. Alrighty, now that the boot is on, it looks amazing in my opinion. We're going to go ahead and put the ZHP shift knob that we got right on. All you do is you literally take it out of the box, slap it right on. Just go ahead and hit the top like a little tap and it should snap right on. I'll show you guys exactly how right now. Literally just put it on like this. Then feel where it grabs. You're gonna feel that. And just give a little love tap, like. There you go. The shift knob is on. That is a beaut. Shit. Love the way that looks. What a difference. I am honestly 110% content. That is amazing. Check that out. And it just feels a lot better when you go into gear. Like it literally just flows itself in. What a difference. That's amazing. You'll leave the listing for both of these in the description. The Alcantara boot I got from ECS Tuning. The ZHP shift knob I got from Bavarian Autosport, only because this is back ordered on most companies. Right now, Bavarian Autosport is the one that has it in stock. So I'll leave everything in the description. And yeah, basically it's a very great upgrade because the ZHP shift knob is a little more weighted. You can feel it as soon as you hold it. And compared to this shift knob, it's like straight plastic. Yeah, this is a huge upgrade. I highly recommend this. It's like 140 something. But yeah, it's a really great upgrade and hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next video. Cheers.